and green mask. I hope you are practicing. If not, I recommend you to go ahead, practice and make new stories. So now, today we are going to make the bear and cat move. So let's call it just add motion. So this is our project. Now first you need some backgrounds. I need a forest and a den because the bear said, let me show where is the den. So we need to first go to choose a backdrop. And now type here forest. So here is it. Let's choose this jungle. Now let's search for the den. Oh no, there's no den, except there's a pathway and a garden rock. So we need to upload a den from Google or from some other app. So let's go again to the backdrops and choose that forest. Now we need to go to any spirit and go to looks. When click switch back. So now the backdrop has came to jungle, but when you click it needs to come to bedroom. So you need to go again to looks and take switch backdrop to and then change it into the bedroom too, because that's where we are in the first. Now over here you need to go. Now I will tell you how to upload a backdrop. So go to upload backdrop and click that button. Next you need to go to the path, and then I have downloaded this from Google. So I will click this and I will open it. Now this is where it will come. You can convert it into Victor and change the regional place you want. Now we need to make the cat and bear walk and make the backdrop change. So first we need to go to the bear and we need to go down and take switch backdrop to jungle. So after doing that, you need to make them walk before doing that. Now let's make the cat and bear move. So you need to first go to move 10 steps. Oh, so the bear just moved one step ahead, but we need to do it again and again. So for that you need to use forever or repeat. Here we'll use repeat because we should not make the bear and cat move again and again. So let's take repeat and put it inside it. But it should be only for the move 10 steps block. Then let's see if it works. Good. Now it's moving 10 times, but it actually needs to move more. So let's keep it as 11. Now the forest is only this side, not this side. But the cat, when you see move, it will move this side. So we need it to move this side. So first we need to change its direction. Do you remember how to change it? Correct. Flip horizontal. So then you need to duplicate its costume. Its first costume and make it flip horizontal. But this costume too is already flipped, so we don't need it. So here we need to go to there and go to control. And do you remember how to do things again and again? Correct. You need to take repeat. Take repeat and put it under that thing. Then you need to tell first to change costume by 2. Listen to the second. So we need to change the costume. You can also label it to remember which one is 1, 2 and 3. So now you need to go to move 10 steps. Then you need to go and take a weight. Then you need to go to looks and switch costume to costume. Switch costume to costume 3. And then again you need to put wait seconds. And then again you need to put switch costume to costume 2. Then you need to tell again we need to put wait 1 second. So another thing is we need to tell when click switch costume to costume 1. If you have set up it into this costume, it will be changed back. So then they will move. But this should not be in 10. It should be in same in 11. While the bear is also in 11. Next, when they are walking, the costume, then the backdrop needs to change. So let's go and first keep wait at last 7 seconds. And then we will go to looks and then go switch backdrop to then. Now let's see if it works. And then they'll walk. And then finally they will reach the den. But the bear walking looks like it's going a bit small. So let's increase the size of repeat. Now look, it has reached the den. But the bear is not telling that look, this is the den. So let's make the bear talk. But remember, you should not keep it inside the repeat. because the repeat is only meant for the walking. Let's keep it outside the repeat. So go to looks and then we need to tell say. Don't take say. You can take anything you want, but I want to take the first one because I didn't want to put the seconds block from the control. So I'll type. See, this is a del. Now let's put it in full screen and let's play the story over again. Oh no! So this is the thing. So this is how it goes. This is the end of Just Add Motion. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.